Good news. Now, over the course of the last year to 18 months or so, you've watched us go through the process painstakingly of building up every little piece of the process needed to make aerospace quality gears. Now, I told you just before Christmas that the standard spur test gears that we use to quantify the fatigue life of these gears were going off to testing. Now, what this means is when gears run together, every tooth gets pushed and then released, and then pushed and released as they come into contact as the gear rolls. And it's that process that dominates the life of the gears, and that's what drives us to size the gear teeth the way that they actually are. So to quantify that, so that we can use the exact parameters of our materials, our gears, our processes in design, we do fatigue tests on these internationally recognized standard gear sizes. So they've been up at Newcastle University and the results are in. And not only do we meet the standard in terms of fatigue allowables on the gears, we're about double the permissible stress that we were taking as our minimum allowable.